My name is Bob, and I built these 3 lights, Edison lights. This one right here, it's got a switch built into it for the light, and majority of all the pipe came from here, National Hardware. It's all black iron pipe. Bulbs were ordered online. This particular one right here, bulbs online, cage is online, but all the pipe is here. I did all the bases at home. This one right here, it's all functional. It's got a drill hole in the bottle to where it could actually create a siphon in there to actually get whatever you want to put in here to pour. Everything in here is it's all brass. It's got food grade hose on it to where whatever you put in it, you can it's not going to hurt you. Got a little valve on it to where you can open and close the spigot. Cut out a little area there to where you can put glass underneath of it. And again, all the brass is from here, National Hardware. All the black irons from here. All the plugs inside the bulbs are from here. It's just basically the bottle, the cages, and the bulbs are not from here. Everything else is from here.